Hey Greg and Lydia, I'm super excited to bring you guys this video right now. About a month ago, a few of us had an idea to get together and find a way to show our appreciation for you guys. So here are a few lives that have been impacted by you guys. Hope you enjoy.
Lyd and Greg, you light up our world.
Lyd, I think I've been in the youth for about 8 years, and I just want to thank you so much for everything you've done for me. Greg, from just leading Bible studies on Wednesday nights to leading our fundraisers for mission trips and going on mission trips. You've done so much, and you've spoke so much truth in life, in my life. And Lyd, thank you so much for just all the girls' nights that we've had, and just being that godly influence in my life. Thank you both so much, and I hope that whatever you're getting tonight, that you'll just be able to know that we appreciate you a lot.
Hey Greg and Lyd, I just want to say that I'm so thankful for everything that you do for the youth. I think it's been 12 years now that I've been in the youth. I came in 2007, which was the same year that you guys were voted as youth pastors. And Lyd, I just want to thank you for your giving spirit. You just open your home to us and always willing to do things for the youth. And Greg, just for the time that you put into preparing for Bible studies, we love and appreciate you both very much.
Hey Greg, I just want to personally thank you for teaching the men of the youth how to treat a lady and how to respect them by showing us an example through how you treat Lyd. And Lyd, thank you for being such a godly wife to Greg and for all the things you've done for us, cooking us great food, and just being an encouragement to the girls in the youth group. And Greg, you've really mentored me and shaped me in my walk with the Lord. I just want to personally thank you for everything you've done for me and what you mean to me. And I would be a different person without you as our group leader. You do an awesome job. I love you both. Thank you so much.
Lyd and Greg, I just wanted to take a moment to tell you how much I appreciate you guys. You guys are so amazing. I love how you're always putting your heart into everything that you do for us, and just all the time and money you spend on us, and just thank you for always being there. And you guys are just amazing, and I'm pretty sure I could speak for all of us when I say we would be totally different people without you guys. Thank you for leading the bright way for us.
All right, well, Greg, I'd personally like to thank you for everything you've done for me. And since the time I've been in youth, you all made us very welcome, each one of you. But Greg, you've been very, very welcoming, I guess. Very just outreaching, make sure that we feel welcome and comfortable. And I just want to thank you for that.
And I also second that. Coming to a different youth group, you just made us feel welcome. And yeah, feels like we're part of family here. So thanks, Greg. Love you.
Greg, I just want to personally thank you for everything that you've been doing in the Berea Youth Group. I've only been in the youth group for about a year now, and this is coming into my second year. And from the first time I walked into the youth group, you've been always welcoming. You've shown great appreciation for all of us, and this is pretty much the only way we can show our appreciation back to you. And Lyd, also, from the first time I stepped in and the first time I walked into the Sunday school classroom, I felt very welcome. Y'all were very God-like, and you have shown us great character. And Greg, you've shown yourself to a whole lot of people, and I feel like that this is the only way we could give a gift back to you.
What's going on, Greg? Just wanted to thank you for everything that you've done for us and for being a good leader and helping us to grow spiritually and as people. Thank you.
Hey Greg and Lyd, I've loved being a part of the youth group. Thank you for everything that you guys have done for us, all the money that you've spent and time that you've spent for us.
Hey Mom, hey Dad. I just want to thank you for everything that you've done for us and everything that you've done for the youth, and just how much passion you have for the youth age and for us kids, and I just thank you for everything and just want you to know how much you mean to us.
My turn?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we've been in the youth a long time, and you've never fell short of being a dad and a role model to the youth, and also Mom, you've been there the whole time too, and you've given everything and cooked a lot of meals, and you guys do great, and thank you for all you've done from Phoenix to Mexico to Washington D.C. You guys have created moments for every one of the youth, and places that they'll never forget, and you guys give them their all, and thank you for that.
So this video was just one way we could show our appreciation for you, but we decided we wanted to do something a little more. So we have something waiting for you out back.